Welcome back to RG Security Team. On GitHub, you will find many scripts for auto IP change which change the IP of Tor service at specific time. But for this, many scripts on GitHub reload or restart Tor service, which is not the right method. It is slow, risky, and not recommended. Today I will show you how to create a system that will automatically change your Tor network IP at a time you specify. This will help you stay more secure. If you browse anonymously, this will be a very useful tool for you. Tor is an anonymous network. It sends your network traffic through multiple servers, which hides your real IP address. But even here, if you want your IP to change automatically every 10 seconds to make it harder to trace, you need to do a little setup for that.
There is an automation tool on GitHub for this. Using this, we don't have to do much configuration. First, clone this script on your system. I will give its link in the video description. This is the main script. You can run the script directly if you want, or you can set it up and use it as a service. So I'll set it up and show you. For this, first, you give the setup file permission to execute. Then, run it. Here, it will install some important packages. Then here, you have to set the time. After how many seconds, our Tor network IP will change. I am giving 10. You can give any time as you like. Once the process is complete, the service will start automatically. If you go to this path, you will see this file. This file will store the IP logs. The Tor service uses a special port, so to run it with Firefox, we need to change Firefox's proxy. Now this service is enabled, so whenever your system starts, this service will also start. You can disable it if you want. You can turn it on or off whenever you want. You will find all its commands in this GitHub repository.